Paano magkaroon ng kaibigan part 3? So you want to have friends. And now what to do about it? Attract it in your life. Use the law of attraction, yes. Use the power of words. And even visualization techniques, yes, do attract it. Oo, okay. So, paano magkaroon ng kaibigan part 3? Kung gugustuhin mo naman talaga, magkakaroon ka talaga nun. Oo, okay. So, maniwala, do believe. And also, trust the process. Ikaw ba yung tipong loner? Oo. Wala ka bang kaibigan sa school, office, or work? Makipagkilala ka. Make your conversations interesting and right. Because that is the right thing to do. Communication is key, yes. Important po, okay, so. Paano magkaroon ng kaibigan part 3? Alamin mo ang mga paraan. Use the social media to connect. Facebook, Instagram also. Do use chat apps, Viber, oo. Okay, get their numbers and give them a phone call or send text messages to them. Okay, so paano magkaroon ng kaibigan part 3? So wala kang friends, as in none talaga. Magkakaroon ka din nun through time. Bakit mo pala gusto magkaroon ng mga kaibigan? Kasi wala ka talagang friends kahit isa. Okay, so pwede ka kumuha sa mga kaklase mo, kapitbahay, or sa mga ka-office mate mo. Huwag lang masyadong mahiya. Bawas lang. Oo, okay. So, paano magkaroon ng mga kaibigan part 3? Sa'yo magsisimula. Ikaw ang mauuna. Ikaw ang unang kikilos, nasa sa'yo. Okay. So, paano magkaroon ng kaibigan part 3? Okay. So, sino ba o anong klase ba ng kaibigan ang gusto mo? Gusto mo ba yung tahimik lang kasama? O ma-conversation? Or mahilig gumala at mamasyal? And etc. Okay, so alam mo na kung anong steps ang mga gagawin mo. Okay. So, paano magkaroon ng kaibigan part 3? Okay. So, same ba kayo ng tastes and likes? For example, both nyo gusto ng music and arts. Totoo, okay. So, paano magkaroon ng kaibigan part 3? Makipagkaibigan ka kasi sa'yo mag-uumpisa at magsisimula. Ikaw, siya, sila, tayong lahat. Pwede maging magkakaibigan. Truth, totoo, seryoso, okay. So, paano magkaroon ng kaibigan part 3? Alamin mo, find the answers. Because there is always a way. Find ways, seek out for the truth. Yes, totoo, truth, okay. So, paano magkaroon ng kaibigan part 3? Pumunta kayo ng gig and shows. Kapag nagkaroon ka na ng friends at mga kaibigan, yes. Ako, I have one friend. Sa ngayon, but through time, is nawala din communication naming dalawa. That is life. Sometimes people leave, but others do stay too. Like, comment, subscribe. Speak up, dear. Instagram.com/blackandwhitevoodoo. Speak up, dear.